Nowadays, whether in Europe, Africa, America, Asia, Middle East, or Far East, Shacman trucks are always found moving forward in various industries such as ports, highways, railways, mines, and social housing projects. Shacman, success with quality. For over 40 years, Shacman trucks have been providing services to 5 continents around the world. No matter where and when, Shacman will loyally stay by your side and take up your responsibilities. Shacman trucks have been sold to over 90 countries, established 310 service stations, 41 overseas offices, 23 overseas 4S stores, 8 overseas assembly plants, and 2 large overseas maintenance centers. Spare part warehouses covers all of the main sales regions. Export volume has increased year by year, placing at the forefront of China's automobile export industry. Relying on the operation concept of building the service-based manufacturer, Shacman Trucks adheres to the concept of focus on customer needs, take the market as the guidance based on searching and satisfying demands, creating the demand-driven concepts for products development and tailoring personalized solutions for global heavy trucks customers. We will be rewarded only when we know how to be grateful. Shacman wishes to become the best and fulfill the most social responsibilities. Inheriting the concept of service-based manufacture, Shacman has made numerous contributions to the local infrastructure, employment, and talent cultivation. Shacman Trucks will provide the max value for the customers with the best products and services. The company will witness a bright future together with the global customers. Shacman Trucks win with virtue, advanced services, and success with quality.